As a product manager, I'm sure that you're working very hard for customers to buy and keep buying your product. However, customer loyalty is not something you can simply ask for. You will need to use skills and knowledge to get it. There are several things to consider while making your customers loyal to your product. First, let's talk about membership. A lot of successful companies use membership systems to attract customers. For example, every major airline and hotel chain uses a reward system to encourage customers to stay with them till the next time they travel. Membership can be an important asset to your customers if created properly. As a vendor, you will need to think about two things: rewards and returns. Give your customers enough rewards so they can purchase more and more often. Find a balance between earning and losing to maintain a continuous flow of income. Second, sell more things to a single group of people. Every company has a target user group, and a clever manager would maximize the value of his/her user group to sell more things. For example, in addition to basketball game tickets, you can sell running shoes and sports attire to NBA fans. Likewise, selling makeup and skincare goods to female user groups could be a good idea. And this is practiced by many leading brands like L'Oreal and Lancome. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You were watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.